Okay, so to make your digital collage, you're going to load up SumoPaint. You're going to go to File. You're going to click Open from My Computer, and you need to find your line drawing that you created the week before spring break. Okay, so you can see that's mine right there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my layers on the right here, and I'm going to click the plus button. I want to make sure this layer is below layer 1, so I'm going to click this down arrow to put it below. I'm now going to click on layer 1 that has the drawing, and where it says mode normal, I'm going to change this to multiply. Alright, now I'm going to click back on layer 2, see how it's highlighted gray. Now I am going to bring in my first texture, so I'm going to go to File, Import to Layer from my computer. Now I'm going to navigate to my textures. I'm going to click on one. And I have the ability to resize it if I want to. And if I click anywhere off of it, then there it is. Now I need to decide which piece I want this texture to go into. I think I'm going to do this piece right here. So what I'm going to do is click back on layer 1 that has the drawing on it. And then I'm going to go over to my tools on the left. Over here there's something called the magic wand. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to click inside of the shape that I want to highlight. So if I click on this, you'll notice it gets this like blue outline. Now I'm going to click back on layer 2, and I'm going to do a copy paste. So edit, copy, and then edit, paste. And when I did that, notice over here that I now have a new layer that's cut out in the shape. Just like that. Now I can delete layer 2 by clicking the minus button, and now I just have these. Now this is a really important step. SumoPaint can be a little bit unpredictable in terms of it crashing and not working. So what I want you to do after you cut out each piece is save what you have so you don't lose too much progress if that were to happen. So go to File and then just do Save to My Computer. And what I've been doing is calling this my collage, and then I'm calling this my Save 1 because I'm saving each step that I do. So I'm giving it a number. Okay, now I can repeat this process again. I need to make a new layer over here, so plus, and then I'm going to do File, Import to Layer from my computer, navigate to my textures that I've created, the paintings. Okay. And let's say I want to move this texture. I can use this arrow tool, the top right here. I can drag this. It disappears, but it actually is still there. You just can't see it. It's kind of a pain, but that's how it works. All right, I'm going to do it in this lower bottom left. So I'm going to click on layer 1, click on the magic wand, click inside of the shape that I want. See how it's highlighted blue? Now I'm going to click back on layer 4, which has the purple texture on it, and then I'm going to do a copy paste. Copy and then paste. Now I can delete layer 4 using the minus here, and you'll see that it's cut out. Same process, I'm going to save this to my computer, and I'm going to call this my collage save 2. That is the process that you're going to use, and you're going to repeat that until you get all of your shapes on your drawing filled.